Welcome! In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to use Mouseflow to track user behavior and optimize your website's user experience. We'll cover session recordings, heat maps, funnel analysis, form analytics, and user journey tracking so you can understand how visitors interact with your site. Whether you're a marketer, UX designer, product manager, or website owner, this guide will help you use data-driven insights to improve conversions and enhance overall user satisfaction. Whether you're running an e-commerce site, SaaS platform, blog, or service-based website, understanding how users interact with your content is vital. That's where Mouseflow comes into play. Mouseflow is a comprehensive behavior analytics tool designed to give businesses real-time insights into user behavior through powerful features like session recordings, heat maps, funnel tracking, form analytics, and user feedback tools. It doesn't just show you numbers, it shows you behavior. You can watch how visitors navigate your site, uncover user frustrations, and identify opportunities to improve the user journey, all with just a few clicks. In this video, we'll walk through the features and benefits that make Mouseflow a standout in user behavior analytics. We'll also dive into why it's a top-tier choice for businesses looking to optimize their websites, boost conversions, and deliver experiences that keep users engaged. So for its key features and benefits, first is its session recordings. Mouseflow captures and stores session replays for every visitor. These recordings reveal exactly how users move through your site, what they click on, how they scroll, where they hesitate, and when they abandon pages. You get a visual, real-time understanding of what your users are doing, making it easier to identify UX bugs, confusion points, and missed conversion opportunities. Another key feature is the heat maps. The platform automatically generates dynamic heat maps for clicks, mouse movements, scroll depth, and even attention zones. These can be filtered by traffic source, location, device, and more. You can understand exactly what areas of your page draw attention and which get ignored, helping you refine content placement, CTA positioning, and overall layout. Another key feature is the conversion funnels. Mouseflow's funnel tracking tool allows you to build multi-step paths and track drop-off rates at each stage. You can analyze why users leave before completing important actions like signups, purchases, or downloads. In this, you can pinpoint where your conversion process breaks down and make informed improvements to your user flow to increase completion rates. Another key feature is the form analytics. Forms are often the last hurdle before a conversion. Mouseflow provides deep analytics on every form field, tracking hesitations, drop-offs, error messages, and time spent. This eliminates friction in your forms by identifying problematic fields, optimizing labels, and simplifying submission processes, resulting in more leads and sales. Another key feature is the user feedback tools. You can deploy on-site surveys and feedback widgets to capture the voice of your users in real time. You can trigger questions based on user behavior or time spent on page. You can combine qualitative feedback with behavioral data, or a full picture view of user experience and satisfaction, and use it to inform their UX strategy. Another key feature is the custom dashboards and reporting. You can create tailored dashboards with metrics and visuals that matter most to your team. You can easily share findings with stakeholders and set up automated reports for regular insights. This keeps your team aligned with actionable UX insights that support data driven decisions, cross department collaboration, and strategic growth. So, why is Mouseflow a great choice? Mouseflow stands out because it provides a powerful blend of behavioral analytics and qualitative insights in one easy to use platform. While traditional analytics platforms like Google Analytics focus on the what of user behavior, Mouseflow reveals the why. This empowers UX designers, marketers, and product teams to make smarter decisions based on how users actually experience your website. Another reason Mouseflow excels is its simplicity and speed of deployment. You can integrate it with most content management systems like WordPress or Shopify, marketing tools, and analytics platforms within minutes. Its lightweight script ensures fast page loading while capturing robust behavioral data in the background. So, whether you're running A/B tests, launching a new product page, or trying to figure out why users abandon your cart, Mouseflow gives you the clarity to make precise, impactful improvements. It turns every user interaction into an opportunity to learn and grow your digital presence. So basically, in 2025, standing out online means delivering the best possible experience for your users, and that starts with understanding their behavior. Mouseflow is an essential tool for businesses that want to go beyond traditional analytics and truly connect with how users interact on their site. From detailed session replays to heat maps, funnels, and feedback widgets, Mouseflow delivers everything you need to improve UX, increase conversions, and reduce friction. So if you're ready to level up your website optimization efforts, streamline your user journeys, and truly understand your audience, Mouseflow is the right tool for the job. So start using Mouseflow today and transform your... Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Mouseflow to analyze user behavior, identify friction points, and optimize your website's UX more effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials on analytics tools, UX optimization, and growth strategies. If you have any questions or would like a deeper dive into specific features, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.